My fashion ideas come from like the environment around me, cause like coffee bean bags. My mom is a coffee lover, so I was like, why not make a dress out of coffee bean sacks? You could use any fabric, any material. You can make a dress out of spoons. You can make a dress out of hangers. It's like crazy all the things you could do. I really hope that like more people see the cause of what they are doing and how fast fashion is also littering our planet. Other than pollution and like plastic in our oceans, that's also a big deal. And like how consumers have to buy things they will wear for a long time and not like for 1 or 2 weeks and then they throw it away. Being the youngest fashion designer to debut at Paris is very fun, and I'm very grateful for it. It was a very fun fashion show. I had 15 dresses. It wasn't scary for me. I was like, oh, like all these people appreciate me, and I should be very grateful for that. Big dream, even if you're small, because the size of your brain does not matter if you could dream big.